Hello, my name is Dr. Preeti Parmar. Today I'm going to talk about Omicron. Now, first we'll understand what is Omicron. The WHO has named the latest variant of COVID-19 virus as Omicron. It has become a variant of concern since it was first identified in South Africa on 9th of November. It possesses a very high global risk with potentially severe consequences. While the Global Health Agency and other experts continues to study just how dangerous the virus is and how transmissible it is. Now, why it is called Omicron? Earlier and in the pandemic, new variants of SARS-CoV-19 viruses were given scientific name with a complex combination of letters and number. Similarly, keeping up with the method, the WHO named the new variant D.1.1.529 variant as Omicron, and which is also the fifth letter in the Greek alphabet. Omicron has turned out to be highly transmissible and also less susceptible for vaccines and other variants. Omicron, it was first identified in Botswana and South Africa in November. The Omicron variant has surged around the world over past few weeks faster than any other previously known form of a coronavirus. While there is a lot to understand, scientists have yet to understand about Omicron. The virus is already causing rise in new cases. Scientists first recognized Omicron to its distinctive combination of more than 50 mutations. Omicron cases doubling every 2 or 4 days as much shorter time than Delta needed to double. Now we have to understand, does immunity from previous infection stops Omicron? The first clue that Omicron could evade immunity came from South Africa, where scientists estimated that at least 70% of people who had previously COVID-19 at some point in the pandemic are infected. An unexpectedly large fraction of Omicron cases involved people who were previously infected. The researchers estimated that the risk of infection with Omicron was 5 times that of other variants. For deeper understanding, antibodies produced by people who recover from COVID-19, if they mix with those antibodies in a dish with other variants, the antibodies do a good job of preventing viruses from infecting human cells. But if you mix these antibodies with Omicron cell, it still manages to go inside the cell much of the time. That means this mutation carried by Omicron are changing the shape of its surface proteins, where antibodies lock into the coronavirus. The ability to invade the immune defense is probably the part of explanation as to why Omicron cases are doubling so quickly, while other variants are getting knocked out by the antibodies. Omicron is succeeding in infecting more cells, making it more successful and getting into more people. So it is important for the infected and also the non-infected person to take care. Now, symptoms of Omicron are same as it was earlier of coronavirus, like fever, breathlessness, cough. These are the common symptoms, and the less common symptoms are loose motions, throat irritation, and also loss of taste and smell is also the very common symptom. Yet the research is going on this. Now, disease projections are not carved on stone. The variable change if more people get vaccinated and practice the safety measures such as social distancing and mask wearing. So it is very important for everybody to follow the rule. All the cases will increase daily, double in daily way. Booster dose will also create an even stronger wall of defense. Thank you.